So in this demo, we're just going to show how to do JavaScript but use an external file. So here, again, I'm going to keep the index file, index.html file, pretty simple. We've got a head, so this text will show up on the tab. We do have this script tag, but we're using the source, and that means we're pulling a file in. The file we're pulling in is this one over here, GST7130, and it's this here. I have one function in there called distance2d. It has 4 parameters, so it takes 4 arguments: x1, y1, x2, y2. Simple, what's the difference between them? Square them, add them together, and take the square root. So it's like a 2D Euclidean distance. That's off in another file. What I have in the HTML is, simple header tag, but then a form called dist, and then some text inputs so the user can type into them, and I give them each different names. And then I have a button, and then the text you'll see on the button is distance. And then when someone clicks it, I run my 2D distance function. So I run this function here, and I send it whatever the user typed in those input boxes. Now how I get to those is I go dist, where'd that come from? Name of the form. So name of the form, name of the input, right? So dist.x1.value, whatever they typed in there. Now I just repeat that. The distance form, the y1 input, its value. The distance form, the x2 input, its value. The distance form, y2, its value. So grab whatever the user typed in, send it over to my distance function, and then I'll pop up an alert box, I believe, yes, what the answer is. So let's just get this running. Now, popped off screen. It's going to slide it over. Not fancy looking, not meant to be, right? So I'll just type in some values. 1, 2, 3, 4 should be what? 2.8 and change, in around there. Calculate distance, 2.8 and change, and that in an alert box. So again, the big thing here is, well, there's a couple things going on. The big thing is having the code in a separate file, linking it in, okay, and that. And then a little extra stuff about, hey, if you get a form with an input, right, how do you get the value out of it and use it? So this is one way to do it. Name of the form, name of the control or input, get its value. That's how I extract out what the user typed in. That's all for now.